Everyone, this is As Muhammad Khan and I welcome you with very important segment that is related to how can we separate the different gases from air. Yes students, as you know that air is homogeneous mixture. It is the homogeneous mixture of different gases, and with this there are the dust particles or there are some microorganisms are also found in it. So how can we separate the different component from the air? So first you should know that what are the main component are found in the air. First is the component that is found is the different gases, like there is 78% nitrogen is found and 21% oxygen is found and 1% other substances are found. So these components can be separated by the method of separation, in which a particular device is used, and that device have the different columns, and with the help of those columns what is applied, pressure is applied, and with the help of that pressure or the compression the different gases are obtained. Like the first is air is passed through a filter, and with the help of that filter the pathogens and the dust particles are separated from the air. After that clean air is passed through a compressor, in which it is cooled down below 0 degrees Celsius, from which the water is separated from the clean air. Means water is removed, because at 0 degrees Celsius water is turned into ice, student. So there is some amount of water is also found as humidity in the air. Next, the water free air is passed through again a compressor, and in this it is cooled at minus 78.50 degrees Celsius, and there is again a pressure is applied on the air. So due to that pressure there is one important gas is also separated, and what is it? It is carbon dioxide, and it is separated as dry ice from the air. Means when the pressure is applied, then that gaseous carbon dioxide is converted into solid carbon dioxide, student, and that solid carbon dioxide is removed. Now that again the air is passed through a compressor, in which a very high pressure is applied, and due to that high pressure that gas is found in the air is separated at different height. Means due to that pressure, with different pressure the gas are found in the different places, and with the help of that position of the different gases we separate them. Like the nitrogen and argon is separated with the help of this, and oxygen is found just above, that's why it is separated on another port or another particular device it is separated. So like this, with the help of the cooling or the compression, the different gases are obtained from the air, and those gases are used for different purposes. Like nitrogen is obtained, oxygen is obtained, and argon is obtained by the separation of air, student. So these are the main gases that are obtained from the air, and those gases are used for different purposes. So thank you very much, student. Now you will read this in your book and try to do the question answer related to this topic. Thank you.